Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to use Yoast plugin to add htaccess file and Robots.txt file or edit them. So first you have to go to the WordPress admin, and from there you'll be able to see this Yoast plugin. Click on this plugin and you'll be able to see this. On the left side it says Tools. Click on it. After the page loads, you'll be able to see this file editor option. Click here. And then from here, you'll be able to see the htaccess file. You can just make the changes, and then after you finish changing, you can just click the Save Changes to htaccess. Same goes for the Robots.txt file. If you already have one, you'll have the option to edit just like this way. And after that, you can save the changes, or you can even create your own Robots.txt file from here. And now you will be able to see the Robots.txt file. You can either edit it, or you can even change it, or you can even make it empty. So this is how you use Yoast plugin to create Robots.txt file or change it, or use the htaccess file and make the changes. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.